They call him one of the most powerful men in the world. Vladimir Putin, the president of Russia, a man known for his control, his silence, and his power. But behind all the politics and power, there's a secret story. A story that many believe Putin never wanted the world to know. The story of his secret son. This story has been whispered in the dark corners of the internet, spread through leaked photos, and investigated by brave journalists. No one knows the full truth, but what we do know sounds like something straight out of a movie. For many years, people thought Vladimir Putin only had two daughters, Maria and Katerina. They were born during his marriage with his former wife, Ludmila. After their divorce, Putin's personal life became a mystery. He stopped showing his family in public. He stopped talking about them completely. Reporters who tried to ask questions got no answers, only silence. But then something changed. In 2015, stories began appearing in European newspapers and Russian websites. They all talked about one name, Alina Kabaeva. Alina Kabaeva was a famous Russian gymnast. Beautiful, graceful, and one of Russia's Olympic champions. She was seen sitting close to Putin at events, smiling quietly. And soon, rumors began, saying she wasn't just a friend. She was someone much closer. Some reporters claimed she disappeared from public life for a while, and then reappeared, looking different, happier. People began whispering that Alina had given birth to Putin's child. According to investigative reports, Alina Kabaeva gave birth to a boy in 2015 in Switzerland, far from Russia's media. The boy was named Ivan. Years later, in 2019, another baby was reportedly born in Moscow. His name was Vladimir Jr. No photos, no official announcements, no confirmation from the Kremlin, just silence. And yet, the clues began to appear. Hidden homes, secret hospitals, private jets, and people who knew something but were too afraid to speak. If the reports are true, these boys don't live like normal children. They don't go to public schools. They don't play in city parks. They don't walk in Moscow streets. Instead, they live deep inside secret, heavily guarded estates surrounded by forests, lakes, and soldiers. Journalists found evidence of a luxurious home near Lake Valdai, north of Moscow, a palace said to belong to Putin's hidden family. Inside, everything is protected, from high walls and cameras to guards who never speak to outsiders. Tutors come to teach the children in private. And when they travel, it's always under fake names, protected by government security. It's a world built on silence, a world only a few have ever seen. So the question is, why hide them? Why keep this family so secret? Some say it's to protect them. Putin has many enemies, and the life of his family could be in danger. Others believe it's because admitting the truth could cause political problems. A secret relationship with Alina Kabaeva might be seen as a scandal. And some believe Putin simply wants to appear as a man who belongs to no one, not even to a family. Whatever the reason, one thing is clear. Putin has built a wall of secrecy around his personal life that no one has been able to break. Over the years, many journalists tried to uncover the truth. A group called the Dossier Center released reports showing property records, travel data, and photos linked to Kabaeva. Swiss reporters claimed that Putin's secret son was born in a private clinic in their country. Even Western newspapers published images said to be of the secret family. But every time a story came out, Russian authorities denied everything. Some journalists were pressured. Others left the country, and the truth stayed buried. Let's be honest, no one outside Putin's inner circle knows for sure. No official documents have ever confirmed the birth of these children. No one has seen them in public. Even their supposed names, Ivan and Vladimir Jr., come only from anonymous sources. But that mystery is exactly what keeps the world curious. Because when someone hides something so carefully, people naturally want to know what is behind the curtain. If these stories are true, it means the most powerful man in Russia has a second family living in luxury, protected by the state, far from the world's eyes. If the stories are false, it shows how powerful rumors can become when people live behind walls of secrecy. Either way, it tells us something about how power works, that the more someone tries to hide, the more the world starts to look. Imagine growing up as a child who can never reveal his father's name. A child who can't post a photo, can't make friends freely, can't even go outside without security guards. A boy whose father is one of the most feared and respected men in the world. What kind of childhood would that be? What kind of life? To live in a palace but never be free. That's the mystery behind Putin's secret son. A life filled with comfort but trapped in silence. Today, neither Putin nor Alina Kabaeva have ever spoken about these rumors. There are no official statements, no interviews, no confirmation. Only photographs of a smiling woman, hidden mansions in the woods, and whispers of two boys growing up behind closed gates. Maybe the truth will never come out. Maybe years from now, someone will speak. But until then, it remains one of the biggest mysteries of modern politics. So when you hear about Putin's secret son, remember, it's not just a rumor about a powerful man. It's a reminder of how tightly power and secrecy are woven together. A story about control, fear, and the price of living in the shadows. This is the hidden story of Vladimir Putin's secret son, a mystery the world may never truly solve.